Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the world of beauty with expert insights and a touch of real-world experience. Today, we're looking at the COVERGIRL Exhibitionist Ultra Matte Lipstick in Wink Wink, a shade that promises to turn heads with its bold color and lightweight feel. So, does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This lipstick is designed to be the perfect combination of comfort and long-lasting wear. With a smooth matte finish, it glides on effortlessly without any tugging or skipping, which is something we all appreciate when applying matte lipsticks. Its hydrating formula boosts lip moisture by up to 40%, leaving your lips looking fresh and healthy throughout the day. Plus, it's cruelty-free, so you can feel good about your purchase. When it comes to performance, the COVERGIRL Exhibitionist Ultra Matte Lipstick delivers. The matte finish is rich and pigmented, offering a runway-ready look that stays in place. No bleeding, no feathering, and no dry patches, which is crucial for matte formulas. You can count on it to last throughout your day, whether you're sipping coffee or talking with friends. It holds up well, giving you that just-applied look for hours without the need for constant touch-ups. Now let's talk about texture. The lipstick feels lightweight on the lips, almost like you're not wearing anything at all, which is a great perk for those who prefer comfort over the traditional heavy feel that many matte lipsticks can give. The moisturizing aspect is also a standout. It doesn't leave lips feeling parched or cracked, unlike some matte formulas that dry out your lips as the day goes on. In terms of shade, Wink Wink is a beautiful neutral pink, a perfect option for daily wear, or to pair with a bold eye look. It's one of those versatile shades that can easily take you from office hours to happy hour without missing a beat. However, while the formula is great, there is one minor issue I encountered. The lipstick can be a bit vulnerable to transferring, especially if you eat or drink something oily. That said, it's still much more transfer resistant than many other matte formulas on the market, but just something to be mindful of. When comparing this product to other similar lipsticks in the market, it holds its own. Its price point is competitive, especially for a drugstore lipstick with such a solid formula. You can get a similar matte look from higher-end brands, but the comfort and hydration you get with COVERGIRL's formula might just make it your go-to for everyday wear. As for the packaging, it's sleek and sturdy, nothing too extravagant, but it gets the job done. The twist-up mechanism works well, and you don't have to worry about the lipstick breaking or getting stuck, even after several uses. Now, is it worth the price? Absolutely. The longevity, comfort, and pigmentation make it a solid contender in the matte lipstick category. If you're looking for an affordable yet high-performing option, the COVERGIRL Exhibitionist Ultra Matte Lipstick might just be what you're looking for. Mid-review call to action. If this review has been helpful so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest, expert reviews just like this. To sum up, this lipstick delivers impressive color payoff, long-lasting wear, and the all-important comfort factor. If you're in the market for a reliable matte lipstick that won't dry out your lips, this one is worth considering. I'd recommend it to anyone who wants a high-quality matte finish without compromising on hydration or comfort. If you've tried this lipstick, comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience with it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.